Welcome to Quicklaunch for Education. Kramer's Quicklaunch for Education is the first solution entirely designed for the needs and applications of the education sector. It was developed by education experts and aimed for the higher education market. Quicklaunch for Education is inviting, easy to use, secure, and intuitive. Quicklaunch for Education is a PC-based software allowing for simple and fast initiation of lectures and applications and is perfectly designed with educators in mind. Our software streamlines the sign-in experience by providing the ability to easily launch teaching applications, teaching tools, and hybrid lectures. The welcome screen is a visual for students and teachers to immediately know they are in the right room by seeing the upcoming class and the room name. Simply scan the QR code to gain access to the Quicklaunch interface. In our sample template, we have different tabs including LMS or learning management software for all teaching needs. Lecture integrates collaborative sharing applications, devices for easy content sharing in the classroom, and hybrid for your class calendar. Our award-winning classroom solution is also completely customizable and can be fit for any size classroom. Customization options include the ability to change the tabs, add as few or as many icons, as well as changing the colors, icons, font, logos, and more. Clicking on any of the action tiles or calendar items will securely launch the proper application with predetermined display settings to ensure maximum classroom efficiency. Best of all, Quicklaunch for Education is highly secure, so when a meeting ends or no one is detected, the room is reset, which deletes files, removes credentials, and returns to the welcome screen. If you would like to learn more about Quicklaunch for Education or to schedule a demo, please see the link in the description.